Amitabh Bachchan, Shatrughan Sinha, Hema Malini, and Veena Roy. It's about three friends, and Pran was accused by his friends of killing, although he was innocent, and he had to flee, and he was almost dropped in the ocean by two of his friends, and he had to go absconding so that his identity will not be revealed. But later on he joined Amrish Puri's group, and Amrish Puri gave him the name Don, and he had to come to India for the inauguration of the revolving restaurant. And in between, it was shown that Amitabh Bachchan is in love with Hema Malini, but his closest buddy, Shatrughan Sinha, is in London. He had gone to London for further studies, and he was so close to Amitabh Bachchan that even he accepted his cake all the way from Seven Oceans. He had mawa cake on his birthday, and Amitabh Bachchan came to know that Shatrughan Sinha also liked the same female, Hema Malini. So he sacrificed. He just pretended that he is not in love and he's a Casanova and all that bullshit story. So Shatrughan Sinha thought that even his friend is after his property and after his money. So discord happened, and then later on it was revealed that Hema Malini actually loved Amitabh Bachchan, but all this because Amitabh Bachchan came to know about his friend's love, he sacrificed. But later on everything, and he had a younger brother, Sunny. Rishi Kapoor is very cute in the movie. For 1 mark, he jumps on the terrace. He stands on the terrace parapet and he says that if you don't raise 1 mark, then I'm going to jump from the building. So his boss, his principal, he had to heed to his demand, and there Kim is his girlfriend, and Amitabh Bachchan has raised him in a very lovingly way. He has spent lots of money on him, and he himself was a waiter in a restaurant, in a hotel. And one funny incident is that hilarious scene, he comes to Amjad Khan for raise of his salary. So Amjad Khan says, 5 years back I had raised 10 rupees, no? So how much raise you want? That's very... So later on, as in happens in most of the movies, everything is hunky-dory and the pairs are with each other. Amitabh Bachchan with Hema Malini and Rishi Kapoor with Kim. Shatrughan Sinha is with Veena Roy. And the thing, Mrs. Gomes, she is she has enacted the role quite well. She is just an aunt for these people, and he raised everyone. But her role is also good. So must watch, 5 stars.